Nature. Nature is the most beautiful thing. I'm a really big lover of nature, guys. The birds, the young animals, the insects, and especially chickens, especially a rooster crowing. Sometimes ugly, sometimes like an old grumpy man. But I still love my chickens really, really much. I started with 2 chickens, a rooster and a hen. But now, nature had brought me so far. Nature brings me a lot of eggs on my chickens. Or maybe just one, like now. Then you got the broody hens. Likes to scream though, just to protect their eggs. It goes from broody hens, it goes to beautiful young 2-day-old chicks. From 2-day-old chicks to 2-week-old chicks. Just see how fast these young ones grow. Now we have the bigger chicks. Beautiful and big. Makes a lot of noise. Just beautiful. Now this is the beautiful white chick. She makes the most noise out of all my chickens, even the roosters. My chickens just goes from small to big. Green legs, just beautiful. Now this is bigger than the others. We go from naked necks, we go to chickens with full fitted necks. Not naked necks, full fitted. Now this is the biggest ones, the adults of the coop. The protector, the rooster, is the brown one. And there is his 2 hens with him. Isn't nature beautiful? The best thing to see is a hen looking after her chicks and protecting her chicks. A mother should also protect her children like a mother hen does. Every rooster starts to grow for his first time. Or maybe starts to mate for the first time. Thanks for watching. I hope I can see you guys next time.